Ladies and gentlemen, my name is ngọc. I'm in class 4.5 at Jebel Primary School. Today, I'm very delighted to tell you about a very interesting topic called climate change. Currently, human life is developing more and more. Many human activities directly affect the surrounding natural environment and the climate, leading to problems happening on our planet, such as the Earth's constant warming, the greenhouse effect, and the melting of ice. These phenomena are caused by global climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change is a term used to refer to a change in climate that has been maintained over a long period of time, over many years. Our atmosphere consists of gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and others. Its compounds are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. Around the Earth, there is a membrane, and when sunlight hits their surface, the gases will absorb energy to make the Earth warm. In moderation, greenhouse gases help us live happily on Earth, but too much accumulation in the atmosphere will cause the Earth to warm up and will cause seriously climate change. The 26th Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, 26 Colombian pesos, has come up with a serious, remarkable number. 90% of the world land area is said to be dry by 2020. 50% of the amount of CO2 released by human activities into the atmosphere, the rest released into the ocean and land. 40% of the methane released into the environment comes from natural resources. The rest is due to human activities. So wildfire will generate record carbon emission of 1.76 billion tons by 2021. Rising temperature makes the ocean warmer, causing the death of coral reef in the western Indian Ocean. The increase in average temperature increases the sea level due to the melting of ice cap at the poles. The world is affected, and Vietnam is severely affected. Natural disaster in our country sets many records. Surf cold, harmful cold in the north, high mountain below 0 degrees Celsius, floods, flash floods causing landslides, strong storm in the East Sea gradually increase the intensity and frequency. Hotter weather and frequent drought have serious consequences for the production, and the Mekong Delta is attacked by saline intrusion. Now I'll tell you about its main causes. First, human activities increase greenhouse gases such as smoke from burning fossil fuels or fuel smoke from factories. Fuel gas includes coal, petroleum, natural gas, and gasoline. The gas produced by burning these fuels increases the amount of CO2 in the air, creating a thick layer of gas that pollutes the air. Second, due to the large amount of animal manure from livestock farms, harmful gases such as hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, and methane are released into the air. 80% of methane emissions comes from animal waste. The third is deforestation removes the vegetation cover on Earth, reducing CO2 absorption. Deforestation reduces the number of trees and the amount of CO2 from factories is increasing, which upsets the ecological balance. The fourth is landfills are one of the most biggest causes of methane pollution. The average person generates 4.3 kilograms of trash per day. With more than 7 billion people living on Earth, 11 trillion metric tons of garbage are dumped in landfills every year. Now I'll tell you about some of my solutions and some of the world's solutions. Reducing reforestation. Investing in reforestation and conserving natural areas, encouraging the use of non-conventional renewable energies like solar, wind, and biomass. Prioritize the use of biofuels, ethanol, biodiesel, over fossil fuels, gasoline, diesel oil. Invest in reducing energy consumption and saving energy, reduce, reuse, and recycling materials, improving public transport with low greenhouse gas emissions. Small changes in your own home can make a difference too. Try switching to energy-efficient light bulbs, walking instead of using your car, turning off electrical appliances when not in use, recycling and reducing food waste. Every day, my family conducts garbage classification, using kitchen waste to fertilize plants, using reusable plastic bottles to grow vegetables and flowers. Let's join hands to build, protect nature, protect living environment for a beautiful future ahead. Thank you for your listening.